Okay, so I was going through the archives and I actually found one of my first videos that I ever edited, and I thought I should do a sort of like reaction video. Now, when I did this, I was actually still in college. Yeah, I know it's like a world of difference from how I edit now, and I actually edited this video on my iPad, I believe. So, yeah, I'm gonna react to it, and I actually want to do more of these and react to more videos. So if you guys like this, let me know, and I'll definitely create more videos like this.
How's everybody doing today? It's Johnny Scrabble from ASAP, After School Activities Partnership. And today we're going to learn about anagrams.
Yeah, that intro was definitely very cute. The music and just like little effects. Yeah. I used the app Velo, by the way, VLLO, and it had a lot of the effects and stuff already in there for me to put in there. So yeah.
Do you know what an anagram is? Well, if you don't, an anagram is a group of letters that can spell multiple words. For instance, if you have the letters CAT, which spells cat, if you move them around, you have ACT, which spells act, or TAC, which spells tack. Well, let's try another.
Whoa, what was that? It's just kind of like just disappeared. No transitions there.
Or TAC, which spells tack. Well, let's try another exercise. So
I have no idea what that flash was. Probably was definitely not the best transition.
we have the letter CARE, which spells care. Can you find another word in care? Good job. Race, RACE. Wow, that was a good job. Well, let's try another one. We have LIVE, which spells live. Can you find another word?
I think I recorded this too. Because it was during COVID. I think we were on Zoom. I think we recorded this on Zoom. So when he was like, pausing, and I think he was talking to me at the time. He was like, "Okay, can you think of another word?" Like we had to definitely we had to be like, we have to pause in between the words.
Wow, you're on it today. Evil, EVILE. Good job, guys.
Whoa, that was so fast. I should have left that up there a little bit longer.
Guys,
The also vile part.
good job, guys. So you have trot on the board.
That should have
T
also
R
been there
O
like a little
T.
bit longer.
Trot. You have these letters AGRB. I want you to find a four-letter word using the letters AGRB. There are three of them, but only one can be placed on the board over trot. So see if you can find it. I'll give you some time. Garb, good job. Garb is the only play that can be placed on the board with.
Yeah, and I did quite a few Scrabble videos. And I actually used to be a Scrabble coach, by the way. So I would coach kids and then take them on these competitions throughout the city. And yeah, there's just so many words that you can't even imagine that are actually words.
Trot as the first play of the game. The G over top of the O, the A over top of
Whoa.
the T,
Another
RB.
part where
Gar,
I can definitely use
go, and
another
add.
transition.
Brad,
You know what I think? I think it's because I edited these videos on an iPad that I couldn't see these little things that happen inside of the video, which I definitely do not edit on the iPad anymore. Everything is edited on my laptop.
drag and grab cannot be played on this board. So that's why anagrams are
Whoa,
so important.
these transitions are hard.
Can you find what animals are in these anagrams? I'm going to give you the letters. TAN, tan, TAB, tab, LOW, low, and SHORE, shore. Here are the
Okay, well, I did say pause the video to get the answers. to be fair, but that was still a little fast.
The answers. ANT was ant with the first one. BAT was bat with the second one. Owl, OWL was the third one. And you guys even got the fourth one right, which was a horse, HORSE. Thanks for joining Johnny Scrabble for Anagrams and have a great day.
Okay, overall, the video was good, but there was definitely some hard transitions in there that could have been smoothed out. Um that's I think that's all I have to say about the video. Also, you know, great use of color, the word that came in when he was like explaining the words and like which ones. I thought those transitions were pretty good, but like the transitions from like talking head to like B-roll, that could have definitely been like a little bit smoother. But yeah, I don't know. Let me know down in the comments, what do you guys think about this video editing? I just wanted to show this video, to show you that, we all start somewhere, and it's okay for your first video to not be perfect. So yeah, if you made it to the end here, thank you for watching this video. Let me know if you want to see more like it, because I have so many different types of videos that I can do a reaction out of, or if you want me to react to your videos. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.